having a tough time deciding which schools to pick for direct school admission. So many schools, so little opportunities.
The environment created here at Temasek Junior College is something I feel is perfectly conducive for each and every young player. Throughout our years here, we have grown not only as players, but as teammates too.
While some may describe the training as tough or hard, this has proven to bring out the best in our players.
I too was quite hesitant at joining badminton at first. However, my worries were quickly taken care of. I was met with gentle and caring teachers, while my peers and I hit it off with
Being with our fellow players 3 times a week, we have forged strong bonds and become closer with each other.
As you join us in 2022, you can expect kind and warm-hearted seniors to guide you through the rough times.
Thank you, and we hope that you would consider joining the Temasek Junior College Badminton family.